right there.
Ah! What was that? Oh.
Alright, let's clear that left side first. So we're gonna go right there.
God, that's so loud.
Totes but goats. Alright.
That was so cool.
You good?
Yeah.
She's attractive. She's like, don't want to move.
I like that.
We're gonna make you
Yeah,
taller.
that was cool.
Got it.
The smoothiness. Alright, 2 for 1. There we go.
I felt that in my back.
You felt like all
Yeah,
where?
like I'm down in my spine.
Nice. Everyone feels where they're supposed to feel it.
Except for you?
Except for me.
That means you're broken on the inside. Mostly emotionally, but
Heart as dark as your pockets.
Squeeze your legs together real hard. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, good. All right, let's get your ankles. Some people got good angles. Some people got good ankles. Good. Good. Easy peasy.
It's all about that contour.
Contour. Is that an O-U-R?
Yeah.
All right, go on your side facing this way.
Facing you?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's get up to the edge. False information. All right, we'll go there. Excellent. Go back this way. You got
That was
mic'd up.
amazing.
I love that one.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
Come back this way. And scoot all the way to the edge. So this is the hip one. So Tony Robbins said what now?
He was saying that this is just like such an amazing thing to do for yourself that a lot of people don't take advantage of and realize how beneficial it is for your body.
Right, how good it feels being lined up and yeah. You just walk around like this all day.
I'm like this for me.
You're like, well, I stay in shape, you know, I dress well, but I am a little bit Quasimodo-ish in the spine, so go ahead and sit up. Scoot all the way up. All right, go sassy hip. So pull this elbow straight back. Pull.
Back?
Pull, pull, pull. Harder, harder, harder. All the power. I'm good there. And flip this side. And here. There we go. Pull back. Pull, pull, pull. Okay. All right, we'll stand up. Let's face this direction. So both hands go right here. Deep breath. And blow out. Very good.
That's my favorite.
Got both hands there. So
I'm a new one.
you go like this. Okay. Scoot right here. Hold it under. Look up a little bit. Already stole them all. Crack supreme. All right, we'll sit right here, face that way. There you go. Feel the middle back?
Yeah.
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 Not bad though. Yeah.
Not bad?
Yeah, not bad at all.
It's been worse, right?
Yeah, yeah. For sure, you're good. That's what you have there.
Max?
Nice.
It's been a
It's
while.
only been 3 months, 4 months.
It's way louder than it used to.
That makes us more stuck.
I know. Got more earwax is what it's called. Waxing. There you go, it's good.
That was easier.
Damn.
He's louder after 3 months, doesn't
Oh
he?
my gosh.
Yeah?
I never heard it that loud.
He just got taller again.
That was a good one.
Look at that.
Oh. How tall am I now?
He needs 7 foot. He needs a goal right now. He's going straight to the court.
Are we close now?
Down a little bit.
Quick knockouts.
Yeah. Now here in Houston dealing crack.
My nose clean, man. Y'all look.
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty clean. All right, so let's bring you over here. Drop that right shoulder down a little bit. Yeah, nice, very nice. This one's actually his better side.
He's okay.
He's okay. There you go. Breaking news, Black Beast gets hammered from behind. New category on Pornhub.
Actually, that title's already taken on Pornhub.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You looked into it?
Yeah.
Makes
I
sense,
looked
man.
up all.
Good. Alright, so goes here.
For sure, I'm asleep tonight. Yeah.
You sleep?
Man,
Yeah, there we go.
feels good, bro.
Alright. Brandon, let's Dr. Crespin, let's action it.
Oh, shit.
Where'd you feel that? Everywhere?
Everywhere.
The whole spine?
Damn it.
We're gonna do one low one here, so this one's gonna be there. Perfect. And this one's a little bit higher.
Damn, bro.
Alright, let's sit back up.
Whew. You hit that, bro?
Alright, stand up, shake that out.
I feel good now.
Head feel lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm,
Floating.
like, yeah.
Yeah. Hands here, push. Both hands here.
Let's scoop.
A little tighter. There you go. Alright, look straight up. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's more open.
Oh yeah.
Look left and right.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, not bad.
100%.
Come back over here.
Let me serve.
Let's just scoot down a little bit like you're gonna slouch. So let's see what we got here. Yeah. Drop your left shoulder down.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, same thing, left shoulders down. Yeah. Left side for sure. There you go.
Ooh.
Shake that up.
Yeah. Oh man. My neck feels 100%.
Let's raise the arms all the way. Yeah, not bad. This right one's still a little tight.
Still?
Yeah. It's sub scat. So, in and out like that. Hook right there.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Fuck. Woo.
Woo. There it goes. Starting to fade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's the same pressure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pretty much gone.
Mm-hmm.
All right, both hands up again.
Wow.
There it is.
Yeah.
And actually, you should probably have better feeling in your right hand right now.
I do.
If you put your fingertips.
Yeah.
You probably don't know that it goes numb.
No.
But now you feel the blood flow.
Yeah. Toma un brazo para arriba. Toma un brazo para arriba. Vamos a probar. Hey, you can touch him. Oh.
You got it. Yeah. Very good. All right, go lay back. The hand saver. Don't smash your hand. Well, you're not gonna use the little nuts. The Gucci strap.
I got the straps in my trunk if you need.
The Gucci berry strap. Get the chains out for the tires. Bring it right there. How much there? Probably stole all his own cracks before we got here. There it is.
Yes, sir. That's the one.
You still feel stuck on this side or no?
I think that's more just muscle tension. Yeah.
I'm gonna go one low. Let's see if it is. Little baby one. All right, sit up, face that way.
Oh my God. You know, I've seen that shit on your videos 100 times. I've always wanted you to do it. It feels great, but holy shit, is that kind of like weird? Oh, dude, but it feels like you almost, like, dude, you know what, whatever. Fuck it. Oh, shit. Jeez. Oh, shit. It just sucks.
Right there.
Oh, that was good. Damn, that feel good.
Feels nice.
Hell yeah.
You're doing all this and that, and you can't even take a hit. You're doing all that to me? Like, come on.
All right. What are you looking for? Monster.
This is payback, man. You stick those fingers on me, you broke me. Okay? So it's payback. It's a payback, bro.